Okay, in this problem, there are 9 colored balls, 4 white, 3 red, and 2 green. How many different ways can these 9 balls be uniquely arranged among themselves? Now, this is a permutation, and specifically, some items are alike. So let's take a look at this. Total number is 9, so we got 9 factorial on top. Oops, let's try it again. I don't want that to be red. So 9 factorial on top. Then we have 4 white. So I'm going to have 4 factorial. So we have 1 white. 3 red. So I have 3 factorial, and that'll be my red. And I have 2 green. So I'll have 2 factorial, and that'll be my green. Now, the trick is put parentheses around the bottom when you plug this in to Excel. So 9 factorial divided by beginning parentheses around the bottom, the denominator. Then I got 4 factorial times, 4 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Okay, 4 times 3 times 2 factorial that way. Then press enter, and our answer would be 1,260.